Hey, I'm holding a live event, a workshop at my office in Sterling Heights, Michigan, Saturday, June 9th from 10 a.m. until 2 p.m. It's called Your Marketing ROI Workshop. And it's going to be live at my office in the conference room in Sterling Heights, Michigan. And the reason I'm making this video is to let you know that even though it's really short notice, I'm doing this on purpose because I can only fit so many people, very small amount of people. I would like for you to come and you will learn the most effective social media marketing strategies to make your business highly visible online. This is just basic internet marketing strategies that I've used to make my window cleaning business the highest rated and most reviewed business on Google Maps in my whole city, in the whole area, which isn't super hard to do. And same with the landscaping as well. So my phone rings all the time and I don't have to spend nothing on marketing, even though I used to spend, you know, at least $500 a month on marketing or more. I still spend a little bit on marketing, but anyways. And then also this is some of the same strategies that helps me get about 900,000 views a month on the internet right now through all these different social media platforms. So we're going to be talking about content, how to create a hack for your business, which is creating YouTube videos for local Google search engine optimization, how to blog, positive reviews. There's also going to be a special guest. My friend Reno is going to be there, and his roofing company, he has over 500 positive reviews. He's going to be talking about that. Tons of stuff. It's going to be jam-packed, 4 hours. It includes a 1-hour lunch. We're all going to eat lunch, and then in the evening we're all going to go out to eat at an Italian restaurant if you want to join. So there's only a couple tickets left, but if you live in Michigan, there's actually a guy flying from LA to come to the event. There's people driving from all over the place, but I can only fit so many people. I would love to have you at my live workshop, Your Marketing ROI Live. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be a mastermind group. Make sure you bring your laptop because we're going to work. And so that's my video. See you there. Check the link in the description below, obviously, to learn more about it. All right, bye.